How to sound like Suicide Boys in about 5 minutes. First, design a catchy drum loop. Now, find a creepy synth pad to lay down some ambience. Now, find another creepy synth pad to lay down even more ambience at double the time of the first one. Now, find some sound effects for your intro. Combine what you have so far, and your intro should sound like this. Next, it's time to lay down an 808. Next, get a creepy pluck pattern to play on eighth notes. Add more sound effects. Now the main chunk of your songs should sound like this. Next, write some sad and disturbing lyrics and record your vocals in a low tone.
Locked and loaded, I'm devoted to the beat of the street.
Then record it again.
Locked and loaded, I'm devoted to the beat of the street.
Use these settings to make it sound crispy. Slightly alter your pattern for a drum break. Modify your 808 for the drum break. Now your drum break should sound like this. Write more sad lyrics, but make sure that you sing them in triplets and in a higher pitch.
Dropping the bodies and making my hobby, just help me somebody, I cannot escape.
Record the exact same thing again.
Dropping the bodies and making my hobby, just help me somebody, I cannot escape.
Now your drum break should sound like this.
Yes. Dropping the bodies and making my hobby, just help me somebody, I cannot escape.
And now your finished product should sound something along the lines of this.